Hello, I'm Akhil. I'm here to explain how Navis aids worked and how what are the uses of Navis aids, how to utilize these Navis aids in a Navis terminal operating system. Before going to the demos and the practical demos, I'm going to explain the objectives and what is the architecture of Navis aids. Navis automated integrated reports, in short, Navis aids is an automation tool for business intelligence reports and dashboards using Jasper reports technology. At present, Navis is using Jasper reports for creating a reports, invoices, and dashboards. These reports can be created by or designed by Jasper report developer or designer correspondingly. And for every report, either developer or designer need to search all attributes, also called as external tags, which are available in certain entities, and all entities are available in reporting entity module in Navis stores. It takes a hours of time to complete a report or dashboard. The main objective of this automation tool is creating a reports or design a reports within a seconds of time instead of taking a hours. Some reports are taking a lot of hours. Maybe it takes 1 day or 2 days also. Such kind of reports also there. For such kind of reports can be developed within a short time instead of taking a days converted to minutes, and hours can be converted to seconds. That is the main objective of this entire application. In the architecture, if you observe, there is a one Navis aids is here, assume here, and MS Access database. Here, MS Access will be provided because of it is very user friendly. Any Navis stores user can be open the MS Access database and can change it accordingly. Here there is no such technical uh, technical problems. If any technical problems occur, Navistos user can handle it. And it is whenever Navis aids is opened and code generation after code generation, Navis aids engine. There are three categories or three pods in this architecture. One is a aid along with code generation, another is a Navis aid engine, another is iReport generation. Here Navis air engine is a main role which is a which can develop or created this iReport. At present there are three kinds or three parts of the demo. One is a air without engine, air with engine, air bulk engine. There are three versions in this software. If you observe the feature enhancements, version 1 is already implemented except charts and dashboard. We will implement it in charts and dashboard in later versions, and along with any requirements is there, version 1.0 is there. Version 3.0 is directly connected to the Navis stores. This is after getting an acceptance from Navis, and this is not implemented yet. That is available here. Generally, Navis stores user or Navis designer, I mean iReport designer, can upload the report in Navis terminal operating system inside the reporting module. The first one is going to upload in a reporting designs entity and reporting definition. After that, report is going to execute it. Here, up to two versions, the version 1 and version 2 is totally manually upload. There is no automation upload. Automation upload is also possible. That is in version 3.0, of course with the Navis acceptance only. Navis aids can create the quotation. It contains set of requirements developed by Navis TOS user or any user. Navis aids engine generates an iReport file within a seconds of time. At present version, manually upload these respective JSXML files in Navis TOS by technical user or novice user. Automatic upload is possible, but this is available in third version. All external tags, variables and corresponding data types are stored in a MX Access database. Selecting all attributes and filters in a simple way, automatically corresponding labels are allocated to all attributes and filters. Crosstabs or pivot table in a simple navigation, artificial intelligence summary. That is also called as a aggregations. All aggregate functions such as a sum, count, average, highest and lowest values. Uh, what is the first value and what is the last value? What is the standard deviation? What is the variance? This kind of all kind of basic calculations can be done automatically by using AI summary. That is AI report summary or chart summary. Generally, chart summary, when you observe the charts, it contains a x-axis and y-axis and a bar chart. Suppose a bar chart having a bars. Here, if you see the bar charts, generally I am just assume there are 10 bars are there. Suppose in the 10 bars, all calculations are respectively it is represented and everything is cleanly represented. Suppose user wants to see what is the total of all these bars, what is the average of these bars, what is the highest and lowest values of these bars. Suppose in a 10 bars case, you can easily identify. Suppose 30 bars are there, it is very difficult to identify to the end user. So for that purpose, we are creating a summary table. We will see in a demos. Practically, we will see all those things. Create user-defined variables in a simple way, and it is stored in a variable repository. At present, there is no repository in a iReports. We will create a newly created this variable repository, which is also called as a formulas. A formula is something called as a suppose at present in Navis, category values are showing in a I, E, S, T, which means I means import, E means export, T means transship, S means storage. These are the different categories are there. But in the database, it is storing as a alphabetics instead of letters, instead of words. But end user, he wants to specifically mention that acronyms. These acronyms are very difficult to identify to the end users. End user requirements is he wants to put it in a certain format. Best example, visual time of arrival, visual time of departure. These are showing in a VTA, VTD, such kind of acronyms are there. These acronyms is coded and stored in a certain variable. These variables are calling in the report that we will see in a demo. Who are using Navis users? Navis aids anyone can use. All end or non-technical users are also used. Even managers also can use these kind of reports and dashboards. What are the advantages of Navis aids? There is a lot of time saving. Time is the most important. Accuracy, secure, useful in difficult reports, formula repositories and future enhancements. Here the main objective in that objective of EIs is one is decreasing the time and decreasing the repetition of information or repetition of work, increasing the quality and accuracy. This is the law of Navis aids. Generally, iReport also can solve all problems. What is the available in Navis aids? The advantages we can able to do, but here Navis aids is an automation tool. You need not to drag and drop in iReports. For every time user is going to drag the reports, drag the elements such as text elements, fields, variables, and cross-checking these variables are perfectly coded or not. Typographical errors are possible. These kind of possibilities can be totally decreased. All possibilities of errors, repetition of errors, Typographical error is a common error at present. These typographical errors can be we can reduce, and accuracy we can provide. There are the main differences here: variable repository as well as a labels. A label is a suppose equipment type nominal length. In a unit, there is a one attribute called as a equipment type nominal length. In this attribute, if you provide equipment type nominal length as a label in a iReport, end user can't understood that kind of labels. End user need to specify container length. That's it. Instead of container length, if you store in a if you call these attributes, and after calling every time designer or developer again checking the information, this can be reduced by Navis aids. We will see in the practical video. These are the theoretical videos. This is in a latter videos are coming as a demo video, that is we will see in the demo very clearly. Limitation is also there to the air. Some advanced crosstabs, nested groups, sub-reports, such kind of reports are very rarely happen, are very rarely coming into the picture in a Navistos. These kind of reports also useful. These kind of also these reports are very important here to the Navis terminal operating system. By using these reports, we can fetch the information accordingly. And what are the software requirements? Java 1.6 or above version. Navis Air is developed in Swings and JDBC, and even web applications is also possible. Jasper reports 4.x or above versions. MS Access or MySQL and Windows 7. At present, we created these with iReports. We are using a 5.5.0 version, as well as a 4.x version is also available. Finally, these Navis Airs and Navis TOS users, any Navis TOS user can create the report or dashboard within a seconds of time with a great accuracy.